Hello my people, how are you doing? Hoping that you are all well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, welcome, and for my returning subscribers, thank you, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Yeah, I don't take that for granted. I really appreciate. So behind me you can see there is a fridge. So today I just want to share with you my fridge restock. Yeah, there is a lot of things here. I want to remove some so that I can store some other fresh things. Here you can see there is a lot of things inside, so I just want to share with you. So keep locked and let's do it together. So guys, before I arrange my fridge, so let me show you how it is right now before I arrange it, because there is some things I need to remove and rearrange again here. So you can see how it is. This is the freezer side. Yeah, you can see how it is. Then we have these spaces here. You can see everything how it is. Then on the lower side it is like this way. Yeah, it has so many things which I need to rearrange and arrange again. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's do this together. Yeah, you can see it's full. Yeah, we have things which I need to remove so that I can put some fresh things here. So let's do together, guys. Let's do together. So with me here I have some various things. I have tomatoes, fresh tomatoes from the farm. Yeah, you can see them. I have sweet potatoes. I have cucumber or cucumber. I have these ones. I don't know the name in English. If you know, you can tell me please. Then I have more tomatoes because here we use a lot of tomatoes. Then here I have some grapes. Yeah, these are grapes. I have some apples and some sweet peppers. Yeah, the red, yellow. Yeah, these ones. We have more there. We have strawberries. We have guavas. Here we have veg. These are the lettuce. We have carrots. We have onions. Here is Irish potatoes. And here we have more veg. Yeah, those are green vegetables. Then this one, what is this? It is called suka. This is for the table cover. Yeah, plastic table cover. Yeah. Then we have bananas. We have the small oranges. What are they called? They have their own name in English. These ones, let me know if you can remember. I've just forgotten the name, but I know there is it tamarind? No, not tamarind. There is a name I've forgot. Yeah, these ones. Then here we have mangoes. Yeah, these are mangoes. Yeah, mangoes, you can see them. Then we have now the oranges. Yeah, these are orange. These are orange, but these ones there is a name. Yeah, so then after this we have more veg here. Yeah, these ones are also vegetables. So right now I just want to wash the fruits. Then after washing the fruits, then I will be arranging everything where it's supposed to be. Yeah, so for now let's wash the fruits. my Irish potatoes, I have onions, and I have sweet potatoes which are here. Yeah, so big, very big. And also I have some big onions which I've stored there, so big, super big. Yeah, so that is how it is. Yeah, Irish potatoes, onions, and sweet potatoes. So I'm done with the side of fridge. So I've already put the lemon and cucumber where they're supposed to be. Then I have some lettuce and sweet pepper, green pepper, broccoli. I have so many things there. I have tomatoes, more tomatoes down, and here carrots and more tomatoes. Yeah, so there, I'm done with everything. So I will still arrange it because there is some other things which I need to add there. I have vegetables which I need to wash, then store them here. So I still have so many things to put. That's why you can see this space is empty for the vegetables. Yeah, so I'm remaining with fruits down here which I need also to clean them, then store them. So let's continue.